Hey guys, this is how to fix bet365 Authenticator app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and go to the search at the bottom, and now go to the top and search for the application, guys. Now just simply tap on the app, and when there is an update, you should be able to update it here and make sure you are running the latest version, and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply find the Bet365 authentication. After that, just simply tap on the app. And now from here, just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to make it work. Now, the last option that you have is just simply hold the application and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go back to the Google Play Store, guys, and just simply reinstall Bet365 Authenticator again back into your device. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.